back, you are back on. Bad boy Thames in the building. Spiritual ginger. Loading, 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 loading. Loading, oh loading, din, din, loading, 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 oh loading, din, din, loading, loading, din, din, loading. Osun ogo, oji ogbope, ọmọ tó sùn lógo.
Okay guys, it will be really hard, but let's enjoy it and let's go take 3 points, okay? 1, 2, fire!
Daniel Cabral lõi siis värava Narva Transi vastu 7. üleminutil.
Paide linnameeskonna turundustiimil on teid rõõm tutvustada ja tervitada siit Paide kunstipäeva väljakult, kus 7. vooru raames siis läheme vastamisi antud hetkel Nõmme Kaljuga. Kalju esimesel kohal, meie oleme langenud hetkeseisuga jooksustabelis 3. sellepärast, et Levadia nüpeldas 4-0 Florat ja tõusis meist punktiga tabelis ettepoole. Hetkel Barankad ehk et 0-0 skooriks, esimene poolek peagi lõppemas, aga rõõm on tunnistada ja teadvustada seda, et fänne on väga palju. Kuuleme taustal daamal Gert Kamsi, kes on üleval linnuvaatlustornis kohtuniku vile mitte tulemise peale kuri. Nii et kõvasti müramist, kõvasti toimetamist anname endast kõik selleks, et tabelis ikkagi Levadiast mööda tõusta ja saada sealt samuti mööda ka Nõmme Kaljus, kes nad antud hetkel tabeliliidrid on. Nii et vaatame, siin on väga palju spektaakleid, väga palju ägedaid elamusi ja kogemusi juba näha olnud. Pilgud sinna.
Tõesti on meil sinilille jookse tulema.
Ühtegi korda tegi üks klipp suudab pöörata, millest me tegelikult rääkisime, et individuaalselt on vaja. Mis Risto, mis sa ütlesid, mis see 31?
We need more movements from the players on every position. It's not only like about Quim and Cabral, from whom I expect guys more. Like stay more closer to each other. Oscar, you and Cabral. Nivla, more forward oriented. A lot of times you receive the ball and every time back and back and back. Sometimes when we have the ball from another side, for example, Pedro has the ball, or for example, Cabral has the ball, like you can also step a little bit higher so you can receive the ball and we can progress also. Try this one. Okay, play just like we need, like here, you are good. But when we are with the ball, we need more braveness and to ask more the ball. Because we lose so much balls without nothing. Like, because we just static. And for them it's very easy because they play with the 5. They control you. More movement, break their lines, play behind. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nii kaugel. 90 kraadi.
Karjusele džämmi läheb.
Võtad diagonaalis hoida. Võtad diagonaalis, siis ma võin sinna või sinna kohta. Siis oli veel targem. Mine parem lööks. Enne vabale kohtimise.
On 587.
Yes! Super! Vamos, Paida! First of all, congratulations for the win. Very important for us, and what is very important that it was well deserved. They didn't have any chance. you control them so good. What maybe we must take lessons less this corner set pieces. Like we made so much like they're a lot easier. Like you know, we make like some stupid falls close to the 16 box, give them easy corners, and then like again, it's like about the lottery, like to defend the corners. But again, how you looked on the pitch, 0 back with this defense, it's obvious. If we like take all games like this serious, who will score against us? Nobody, only we. And second thing, what is important, guys? Today we celebrate, but we have in 2 days on the third one Harju.